Hello everybody, it's Talia and welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video is going to be a full face using only E.L.F products, and I'm really excited about this video because I have not done any like a full face of E.L.F products. I really love all the products that I purchased at E.L.F. I think they're amazing quality of the products. Not only that, but the price is on point, guys. It is so affordable, so I'm really excited for that video. But that's pretty much it. I really hope that you guys are doing well and safe out there. Let's go ahead and start with this video. First thing first, I'm gonna put my little hair clips on because I don't want my hair to be on the way. I always like to, you know, have some sort of clips. The first thing first, I'm gonna do my brows. For brows, I'm actually using my most favorite eyebrow pencil from E.L.F, and I use this for every day. I always use the E.L.F. It's affordable. It's only $5. This is the shade Neutral Brown. Brush them upwards and line it up. And then what I like to do is fill them in from the end of my arch, the middle of my brows, and then from here I basically leave it empty, and then I'm taking my spoolie brush and then just kind of brush them upwards. And then brush them on the sides. I like to go in with my E.L.F. Hydrating Camel Concealer. This one is Fair Warm. I love this concealer. This one is like my favorite. Gonna carve my brow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply concealer. Ooh, that is a lot. And then I'm just gonna like I like to take my finger and then just blend it from the bottom of my brows and the top. I'm just gonna take my spoolie brush and just brush them. Make sure they're nice in place. That's it for this brow. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I do tend to take very long with it. Now that my brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with the same concealer, the E.L.F. Camel Concealer. And I love using concealer instead of eye primer. I feel like it's way much better. Taking my beauty sponge and then just blending my concealer. And with this E.L.F. palette, this is a contour palette, but I'm taking this pressed powder over here. I'm gonna apply it on my eyelid just so it won't crease. Go in with my eyeshadow, and that is the part where I'm so like excited to try to create looks with it. Go in with the E.L.F. Mint. This one is Meant to Be. First shade I'm taking in is this really pretty mint green. What I'm gonna do is apply this as my transition shade, and I'm just applying all over my eyelid. That was gonna be more greeny, but I guess not. Because I'm not getting the color that I'm looking for, so I have to keep digging in for more of that shade. And then I like to take it a little bit upwards but not too close to my brows, just like underneath my brow bone area. Honestly really like it. It's a really nice, beautiful minty green. To get the really smoky in the outer corner, I am going in with this darker shade right here. This shade, I am applying it in my outer corner, and I do want it to be a little bit more like smoky. Bringing it to the middle of my crease, and then not too close to the inner corner. So kind of like that. So I'm taking a little bit more of that shade and then just going in with a little bit more, kind of darken in from the outer. Basically, I'm gonna like blend the top just because I don't want it to be like super kind of like dark. Yeah, the meant to be eyeshadow. So first I'm taking this and I'm gonna apply it on my finger. So first I'm applying the darker one, and then I want to go with the lighter one and then just apply it. Ooh, that is a pretty shimmer. Chocolate mint, and I'm taking the lighter shade with my finger, and basically I'm just gonna apply it down the shimmer shade. Oh, that is so beautiful. Going in with the E.L.F. This one is Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. I'm so excited to try this primer because it looks so good. Ooh, it's like a really clear green gel. Apply this basically where I need it. It feels very cooling. Ooh, super cooling. Love that. Feels a little tacky. Going in with my E.L.F. Camel Cc Cream. This one is the color correcting full coverage natural finish. And this also has SPF 30 sunscreen, and I got the shade light 240, which is more in the warm side. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it back of my hand, and this feels very thick. I don't even know this is the right shade for me, but I mean, I do have yellow undertones, so I hope this is correct. I'm gonna go ahead and blend my foundation in. So easy to blend the foundation. I just love how it feels. It's like so lightweight on this concealer. I'm going in with my E.L.F. Hydrating Camel Concealer, and this one is Fair Warm. I'm gonna apply this in my under eyes. And I really don't like to apply that much concealer. I used to be like so intense with it, but not anymore. So tip in my nose, the middle of my bridge, and just a little bit on the forehead and on the chin area. Go in more with a pointy sponge just because I do like to kind of blend my concealer in my under eyes, and I feel like it's more easier when it's a pointy sponge. To set my under eyes, I'm going in with my E.L.F. HD powder, and this one is in sheer, and just applying it on my under eye area. I want to apply it because I don't want it to crease. And I'm also applying it like on my mouth area because I know it kind of gets pretty and crazy, and then around my nose because that's where it gets pretty intense. So powder up my under eyes in certain areas. Going in with my E.L.F. contour palette. I'm gonna be mixing these two together. I'm taking my favorite E.L.F. complexion brush. This has always been my favorite, and I love this brush so much. It's like so good. Kind of bronze this up. I like to tap this, taking a little bit more of that bronzer and then just applying it on the other side. Apply it around my forehead area just so it can be a little bit bronzy. Okay, and then I'm going in with my blush. This one is a trio, so it comes with a blush and a highlighter. It's white peach. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just dab this and apply it on top of my bronzer. So now I'm gonna go ahead and carve the bottom of my face just so it can have some sort of shape. Gonna use whatever I have in this cap and then just kind of line it up. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the powder around my nose area and then around my eyes. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish up the eye look. I'm going back with the chocolate mint. I'm taking this shade right here. It's more like a lighter brown shade, and I am applying this underneath my eyes. What I'm gonna do for the under eyes, I'm not gonna go like too crazy. Brow gel, I'm going in with the E.L.F. Wow Brow Gel. Go ahead and remove the powder underneath my face area around my mouth. Going in with my E.L.F. Makeup Mess and Set. I love this. This is so amazing. Mascara, I'm going in with my E.L.F. Volume Plumbing Mascara. For highlighter, I'm going in with my E.L.F. and this one is Moonlight Pearls. This highlighter is super amazing. Just gonna apply this tiny bit of it. Take my finger and just apply this the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose. So I'm going in with my E.L.F. This one is creamy lipstick. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. At Target they were like $1.50. They were on sale because they were getting rid of it. So if you find it at your local Target, they're $1.50, and these are amazing. So this one is the E.L.F. Mint Melt Lip Plumbing Gloss, and this one is Mint Chocolate. Oh yes, love that color. It smells like so minty. Pretty much it, guys, for this full face of E.L.F. makeup products. Really pretty, especially the eye shimmer. It's so pretty. I really love it. And the lip gloss, I was expecting more a little brown tone because I am a big fan of nude brown tones type of lips. So stunning. Just look at this. Love the shimmer. It's so minty green. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.